Hello children, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn subtraction. I am going to tell about the subtraction how to do very quickly. Before to that, I want to explain what do you mean by subtraction and how you will recognize if it is given in the question or if somebody will ask, then how you will know whether it is addition sum or subtraction sum. So, to recognize subtraction, what are the things we have to know? Then second is what we have to know about the different terms, that is terminology. Okay. First, how to recognize. Okay. First point is that if take away is there, then you can say that this is subtraction. What? Take away. Take away 6 from 8 if it is there. Take away means you take away 7 oranges are there, 7 oranges are there, take away 3 oranges from this. Here is 1 orange, 1 orange, 1 orange. From that, like that 7 oranges, 4, 5, 6, 7. Take away 3 oranges. We have taken away 3 oranges. How many are left? 4. So, what we did? We did subtraction. So, take away is what? Nothing but subtraction. Similarly, difference. What is the difference between 7 and 3? If somebody will ask, then you will do what? Subtraction only. So, difference also subtraction, take away also subtraction, giving something. Give 3 toffees from what you have. Suppose you have 5 toffees, you give 3 toffees to me, give 1 toffee to me. That means what? Giving away, and it is reduced. What you have, from there if you give 1 to somebody, then what? Your number of toffees will reduce. You had 5 toffees, you give 1 toffee, that means 4 toffees is remain. So, giving also subtraction. Similarly, take away 5 from 9, take away already I told you, same thing. Then give 2 from 3, out of 3 chocolates, if you give 2 chocolate to me, so remain will be 1. How many left with you? If you have 3 chocolates, you give 2 chocolates to somebody, and how many are left with you? That means you have to do subtraction. Similarly, how much more? 3 is how much more than 2? Okay, 7 is how much more than 3? That means 7 minus 3 is 4, that 4, 3 plus 4 is 7. How much more are needed? So, you will do, suppose how much you need to make 10, suppose you have 7 toffees, how much more you need to become 10? 3 you need more. Similarly, less also subtraction. Okay, this less also subtraction. First I said how to recognize, take away. What is the difference between 4 and 4 and 3? Then you say that subtraction. Giving something also subtraction. Similarly, first is what? Take away 5 from 9. This is also subtraction. Then give 2 chocolates from 3. That is also subtraction. How many left with you? There also you do subtraction. How much more you need? There also you do subtraction, isn't it? So, less also subtraction. These are all things you have to do subtraction. What is the difference between 9 and 5? There also you have to do subtraction. Similarly, how many are left? If you have 3 chocolates and you add 2 chocolates you have eaten. So, how many chocolates are remained? 1 chocolate is remained. How many chocolates are left? Only 1 chocolate is left. Then also subtraction. Similarly, give away already I told you, give away also subtraction. So, now let us see about the addition and subtraction. In addition, what you did? When you add the things like this, you say 3 plus 2 plus 1. If you add, then 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6. So, the answer is always greater than this. Sum will be greater, isn't it? Similarly, 7 plus 3 is what? 10. But in subtraction, the answer will be always less than the top number. Like that 7 minus 3, what is 4? This 4 is less than 7. Similarly, if I say 6 minus 4, the answer is 2. So, 2 is less than the number what you have taken, 6. Always it will reduce, becomes lesser and lesser and lesser if you take away the things. So, subtraction will, the answer will come what? Always less. So, now let us know about the terms of the subtraction. So, the top 7, here you see this is 7 minus 3 is there, 7 minus 3. So, now this 7 is known as what? Minuend. The top number is known as what? Minuend. So, what is it? The number from which another number is subtracted. This number, another number, that is what? 3 is subtracted from the number from which? From 7. What? Another number is what? 3 is subtracted. So, this number, this 7 is known as what? Minuend. And what is the below number? That is 3. This is known as what? Subtrand. Subtrand means the number that is subtracted. This one is subtracting from 7, isn't it? This number is subtracted. This number is known as what? Subtrand. Okay. After subtraction, what is the result? What is the answer? That is known as what? Difference. 7 minus 3 is 4. 4 is known as the difference. After subtraction, the result, the answer, what we get, that is known as what? Difference. Okay. In subtraction, the answer will be less than minuend. Okay. Now, you got it. 7 is known as minuend, 3 is known as subtrand. Minuend is what? The top number known as minuend, the below number is known as subtrand. Let us study about the properties of subtraction. What are the properties? First is what? Zero property of subtraction. Zero property of subtraction. You know 0? 0, 1, 2, 3. So, that 0, if you subtract from a number, so the difference will be the number itself. Suppose top number is, here I gave, suppose our top number is 7, the below number is 0. The top number is what? Known as what? Minuend, and the 0 is known as what? Subtrand. So, if you subtract this 0 from the number means any number, if you subtract 0, and the answer will be the number itself. What? 7, if it is 7 is here, 7, if it is 2 is there, 2, if it is 5, 5 will come, if it is 4, 4 minus 0 is 4, 8 minus 0 is 8, here you see 8 minus 0 is 8, 6 minus 0 is 6, 100 minus 0 is 100, 1000 minus 0 is 1000. Any number, if subtrand is 0, then the answer will be minuend only. The number itself, the top number only will come. Top number minus 0 will be answer what? The top number only comes. Okay. So, this is what is written, minuend minus, this is minus means subtraction, minuend minus 0, 0 is what? Our subtrand. So, then what is the answer? Answer will be minuend. Answer equal we can write, that is what? Minuend. You will get it. You see here 8, 8 is top number is known as what? Minuend, and below number is what? 0. So, this 0 is known as subtrand. If this is 0, the answer will be after subtraction 8 minus 0 is 8. If this is 0, just close your eyes and write same number. Same minuend will come, difference. Okay. Similarly, 6, 6 minus 0 is 6, minuend is 6, subtrand is 0, the difference is 6 only. You got it? This is known as what? Zero property. And the second one is that what? If you subtract a number from the same number, then the difference will be 0. So, if you subtract a number, so let us take 18, this number, the same number, if you subtract 18 from the same number, this is 18 and this is also 18. If you subtract, okay, if you subtract this number, is subtracted from the same number, then the answer will be what? 0. Minuend is 18, You see here 7 minus 7 is 0. Minuend is 7 and subtrahend also 7. Though both are same, minuend is and subtrahend are same. Therefore, after subtraction, what you will get? The difference will be 0. Got it? Anything 100 minus 100, 20 minus 20. The answer is what? 0. Got it? If 20 minus 0 is what? 20 only, because subtrahend is 0. But here what? Subtrahend is equals to the minuend. Minuend is equals to subtrahend. Then the answer will come 0. Here subtrahend is 0, but minuend is 20. The answer will be minuend only. Okay? Got it? Thank you very much by watching my video. Please hit the like button. Thank you. Bye bye.